IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think birds are important in nature? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I think birds are important in nature because they help the environment. They clean things and eat insects, so they make nature better.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas, limited detail. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, little range. Grammar, mostly simple present, limited structures. Pronunciation, understandable but plain, some hesitation likely. Typical of a Band 5, communication achieved but basic. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I do. Birds play an essential role in the ecosystem because they spread seeds, control pests, and even influence plant growth. Without them, I think the balance of nature would be affected quite seriously.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-connected ideas, clear explanation. Lexical resource, good range, ecosystem, control pests, balance. Grammar, complex structures with accuracy. Pronunciation, clear, natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5, detailed, precise, natural expression. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. Birds are integral to natural ecosystems. Not only do they disperse seeds and pollinate plants, but many species regulate insect populations and even serve as indicators of environmental health. If bird populations decline, it often signals deeper ecological problems, which shows just how crucial they are.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, sophisticated, well-developed explanation. Lexical resource, high-level lexis, integral, indicators, ecological problems. Grammar, accurate, flexible, complex. Pronunciation, natural, precise, effortless. Typical of a Band 9, fully developed, nuanced, and academic in tone. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.